Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. First, restart the mobile data by disabling and then enabling once again. Then go into the mobile data settings, and right here you can also disable and enable it back on. Then we have the data saver. Make sure that it is disabled. You can also try right here on the left side, you can see the SIM card slot. So take something long and thin like a needle and put it right here into this hole and push. Then take out the slot. Okay, and you see the SIM card. So take a microfiber and brush it gently, okay, on this golden side. Put it back into this tray. And back into your phone. And also you can restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.